Hi everyone, this is Motorcycle Showroom, a channel dedicated to introduce new line of motorcycle from leading manufacturers around the world. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and like my videos. Harley-Davidson have recently announced that their next new bike will be revealed on Tuesday, July 13, 2021 at 4 p.m. British Summer Time. The new bike, which so far is only known by its prototype name of 1250 Custom, will be revealed in a video release involving HD leadership, product designers and no doubt some trendy influencer types too. The project is called From Evolution to Revolution, and quite apart from sounding like a quote from Alan Partridge, also gives away a lot about the bike and where it will be positioned. First up, the From Evolution bit. Harley-Davidson name all their engine platforms, and until very recently, the Sportster model range was powered by the Evolution engine. In fact, it had been powered by that motor since in the mid-80s, but emissions legislation ended that party in Europe this year. With the entry-level model to Harley-Davidson off sale, it's clear they'll want to plug that hole sharpish. In the same vein, the Revolution refers to the new engine, Revolution Max, which debuted in the recent Pan America. Chances are Harley will have modified the engine for more torque and a bit less top end, but we'd still be expecting power over 100 bhp, maybe even as much as 120 bhp, which would be a considerable leap over the fun but underpowered Sportsters. They may even have fiddled with the timing, firing order to give it a bit more of the classic Harley sound. The biggest question of all, though, is likely to be price. The Pan America shocked a lot of people when it debuted for its competitive pricing, and we hope HD can repeat the same trick with the new bike. Given the price of its major competitors, Triumph Bonneville Bobber and Indian Scout, as well as the outgoing Sportster range, expect prices around £10,000 to £12,000, around $13,000 to $16,000.
Thanks for watching our video. Stay safe and see you again next time.